In today's video, we're going to be talking about days of the week in French. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to give it to me in the comment section. So, without wasting time, let's begin. So, there's a table there, and I'm going to be pronouncing it, and you're going to repeat after me. Let's begin. Lundi, lundi. Mardi, mardi, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche, lundi, lundi, which is Monday, mardi, mardi, which is Tuesday, mercredi, mercredi, which is Wednesday, jeudi, jeudi, which is Thursday, vendredi, vendredi, which is Friday, samedi, samedi, which is Saturday, and dimanche, dimanche, which is Sunday. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, which means today. Aujourd'hui c'est, today is, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, today is Tuesday. So the French word aujourd'hui means today, and then when you add c'est to it, c'est means it is or is. Aujourd'hui c'est mardi, today is Tuesday. Aujourd'hui c'est mercredi, today is Wednesday. Aujourd'hui c'est dimanche, today is Sunday. Now tell me, aujourd'hui c'est samedi would be what? That's right, today is Saturday. Aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui c'est, today is. So we've learned that aujourd'hui is today, and we're going to give you two other words that you should know when referring to days of the week. Hier, hier, demain, demain. So hier means yesterday, and demain means tomorrow. Hier, yesterday. Demain, tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, today. Hier, yesterday. Demain, tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui c'est, today is. So let's review the days of the week. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, and dimanche. And we also learned that today means aujourd'hui. Today is means aujourd'hui c'est. Yesterday means hier, hier. And tomorrow is demain, demain. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm very active, and I think I'll be uploading a short about the days of the week, so you can go check that out too. So au revoir and see you in the next video.